A box plot graphically describes a numerical variable. We will go through a schematic box plot, mathematics behind a box plot. Let's get started with a schematic box plot. A schematic box plot illustrates what information a box plot can convey. How would you interpret the box plot? It is recommended that you pause the video and think about it before you watch the next slide. Okay, let's continue the video. Words used to describe a box plot. The central line in red is the median of 50th percentile. The bottom line of the box in light blue is the 25th percentile. The top line of the box in dark blue is the 75th percentile. The 25th percentile and the 75th percentile becomes a box. The width of the box is the interquartile range, which is defined as the difference between the 75th and the 25th percentiles. Box depicts the range of the central 50% of the data. This is the up adjacent value. This is the up whisker. Up whisker depicts the range between 75th percentile and the up adjacent value. Any observations larger than the up adjacent value are outliers. This is a lower adjacent value. This is a lower whisker. Lower whisker depicts the range between 25th percentile and the lower adjacent values. Any value smaller than lower adjacent value are outliers. Next video, we will go through mathematics behind the box plot, up inner fence, lower inner fence, intuition of up adjacent value, intuition of lower adjacent value, mathematical definition of up and lower adjacent values. I would like to introduce a textbook, How to Get Started with State. There are perhaps many excellent books and videos for advanced or intermediate state users. However, it's relatively rare for complete beginners. As the saying goes, everything is difficult at the beginning. An entry-level textbook is far more important than we might think. The best entry-level textbook guide you studying a topic smoothly and give you confidence to move forward. On the contrary, you might get confused since the beginning if an entry-level textbook is unsatisfied. This entry-level textbook is based on 10 years experience in teaching state to new beginners. This book has almost everything you need to get started. You can scan the QR code or visit the web page to read more about the book. Chapter 10 helps beginners to quickly identify potential statistical tests. This chapter overviews 42 scenarios of statistical tests together with state command and examples. I really hope this book helps beginners to get started with state. Thank you for watching. Good luck.